Okay, the first problem on our Systems of Equations quiz review wants us to write systems of equations to model the word problems. So we don't need to solve them, we just need to write the equations. So here's a situation. There's a company called Workout Plus, and they offer a membership for $30 each month, plus a $100 startup fee. But then there's another company, FitWorks. They offer a membership for $50 each month, plus a $20 startup fee. So remember with the systems of equations, we have two equations we need to work with, and we need to kind of identify which ones represent which equation. So we're going to need one equation for our Workout Plus situation, okay? So let's focus just on the Workout Plus equation. They have a startup fee of $100. So no matter what, you're going to pay $100. That is your starting point, right? But then you're going to have to pay $30 every month. So $30 every month, this is the rate of change, right? So here's an expression for Workout Plus, and it equals the cost. So X is the number of months. If you take the number of months times 30 plus 100, you're going to get the cost. So now we need to make an equation for FitWorks. So for FitWorks, they have a $20 startup fee, but then they're charging $50 each month, right? So they have a lower startup fee, but a lot more cost per month. Workout Plus has a $100 startup fee, but a lot less per month. Okay, so, and that's the cost. So this is a system of equations that represents these two situations, and you can use these to compare. It's not asking us to solve them, but you could use these to compare. You could graph them and find the intersection point, and then you would know when their cost is going to be the same. Okay, so on the second word problem is on Fridays you stop at a local veggie stand to buy vegetables, but the individual prices aren't marked. On one Friday you buy 1 bunch of spinach and 3 sweet potatoes for $2.75. On a different day you buy 4 bunches of spinach and 2 sweet potatoes for $3.50. Okay, so you've got two things going on here, right? You got 1 bunch of spinach and 3 sweet potatoes for $2.75. And then the second thing is 4 bunches and 2 sweet potatoes for $3.50. So we need to write two separate equations for this. So I'm going to call X equal to number spinach, right? And Y is equal to number of sweet potatoes. So if I buy 1 bunch of spinach and then add in 3 sweet potatoes, that's going to be $2.75, right? So this equation represents the first sentence about cost. But if I buy here, down here, another equation, 4 bunches of spinach plus 2 sweet potatoes, that's going to be $3.50. So we can see how this set of equations represents these two things. You don't have to solve them, but now we have a way to solve them. We have a way to find out. But for the quiz, I just want to know that you know how to write the equations.